approved. So it's like that. This bar is going to fit there. The angles. I should work out the angles are not bad. I really got to work on these camera angles. How's that? We want that to wrap around there. We got to measure this. There's 2 out of 3, and that's 29. Spot on. 29. Half of 29. There's our 3 pieces. Like, now we gotta bend these to wrap around a 25mm. If it's not square, it's going to affect us every inch of the way. Right, that's one. We're gonna do the 3 of them, just so we can get the job going, yeah. So, yeah, that's a bit tight. It's a bit ambitious, that is. Six, 35, 35 is 70, half of 6 is 3. That's the sort of shape we're looking for. Right, we'll let them cool down. My idea was, because I've got these, was to knock that off there. I want the washers. You know what I mean, Harry? there. We're getting burnt too much. Let's try another way. There is no other way. There's always another way. Before we weld. Before we weld the other one. So what I suggest we do, fuck you stupid kid. What I'm going to do is just go like that. Slide out and then go like that. Am I clever? Right, Rob. That's not right, Rob. Monitor's go on the inside, not the outside. That's that funny. Oh my god, I was so lucky. Monitors go on the inside. Like that. These nuts will just tilt the telly, the monitors, they'll just tilt them back a little bit if you want them back a little bit, you know what I mean? All we want to do now is clean up with the discless cutlass. Oh, how was that? It just, my body just attracts it, like, you know. Lean on me. Oh, I like a coal if possible. You don't have to weld it, it gets fucking up, right? That's going to go on there, which goes a bit there-ish. Make sure there's no yaki da, and that goes on there. But I want long ones in the bottom like that. Sooner or later hit it, which it did. Another one. I think I'll cut this shorter, I don't know whether to or not. That's just going to lock it into place like that, so it don't move, and then this one will kick that plate out. Open, which it does. Hen praharai mi kamravi sanwanyon Antonion. That's the best part of it today. Fucking metal splinter, and it's fixable. There's two screws there. They no way. So it means we've got to cut these down a bit. Fucking splinter. Well, I got this far with the tucking thing. Right, that's going to go kadunky, and then kadunky da gungi. I thought I'd put this as a base, so then it gives you something to tuck your goodies in, you know, your SIM cards or whatever you might keep losing. Colder weather, I'd wear long sleeves because this stuff fucking burns. But don't tell me, we all love the smell of burning flesh. Right, that's pretty hot, that, Bob. We're close, so I can see. Right, that's on there. Good enough. Drop that in there, Rob. Right, we know that is very, very flipping hot. Right, come here, you. Don't sit there. Coming over here. You're supposed to be helping me. Make me a cup of coffee if you want to help me. I could kill for a cup of coffee. Right, my plan being, because I've always got a plan as nudes. That's going on a bench. That's going in there. Get a thing, one of them 6,000 scribers you made. And we're just going to do that. Then we'll put a hole in there for screwing the thing down, you know. Screwing the thing down, yeah man, you got it going down, you know. Right, what are we looking for now, Rob? Don't ask me, mate. I only came here for a laugh. I didn't know you could cut around corners with a disc cutter. Gosh, you can. Do anything you want in this game, but you've got to come in on this angle, not on that one. Your cutting has got to be on the outside of the circumference. The circumference. What a fucking word that is. Right. The thing is to get that in there squared as well. You can see that's leaning back already, as far as my eyes are concerned. Yeah, somebody says it's bad for you if you look. You know, you've got to listen to these people because they're professional. You know, they're probably whatever they are. They're probably one of them type people. So yeah, listen to everybody you see. You got to get one of them in every video. Fat like a tart. It's fat like a tart. Right, that middle bit is moved a bit. It moved a little bit, but we want it pretty flat. So put that on there like that, and get something which says "I love you." And I'll do anything that comes to hand. There, one plug in it. Jesus Christ, I'm getting good. No wonder I get so many eaters. Look, trying to pull my cap down, thinking my cap was my fucking razor. Like that. Right. And then I was going to do that on there. That on there. And that, honest to God, for some unknown reason, looks pretty good to me. What do you like with you? It just might work. We're going to try and get under there now with a tack on either sides. Tack, 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 tack. Let's just double check the double checkless. That looks pretty good. I'm going for it. I don't care what you say, I am fucking going for it. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you down. And around. I'm gonna do waking your mind up. I don't know who sang that, but it was a fucking noise. As you see, it's just a junk collection place. And then we'll work out there, middle there to there. You can't see what I'm doing because you're fucking just focused right up. So we'll empty this and see what happens then. Well, I'm getting there, as you obviously see. But all these wires go through this little hole here. So we've got to do them obviously slowly, otherwise we're going to get even more confused. Looking great. Oh, come on. I'm happy with that. These things. I can have them anywhere I want now because I got a free mic work off. There you are then, folks, that's what I ended up with. I had another hole there, all the wires go down there. So there's hardly any wire showing whatsoever, and we've got a nice little Christmas tree there. Look. Job done. Battery charge in place. This will swing now wherever I want to sit. If I want to sit over here, I can sit here. Do you know? If I want to sit over there, I can sit over there. But today, I want to sit over here. But even though I can go like that. Ooh, what a lovely pair of titties. Fantastic gang of friends on live Thursday night, 8 PM UK time. Pop in. Telling you, you will not meet a nicer bunch of people. Okay, ta-da.